Here's another cessna. I was showing another one out here down the street. And here's one of the ones I said that was behind me, shooting over 24181. Yeah, there's his first pulse because you can't multitask. He's only good at being a piece of shit. So here's the second one right here. So that one just flew that way, this one's flying this way, and they're all just revving on top of each other. So earlier they had 8 out here and they had 5 out here for 40 minutes. So now there are 2 right on my head, and there's another where he just left. So basically there's 3 that I know of on my head that I can see this moment. And there goes the other one, continuing now, he's doing some pulses. So dispatch called him and told him to turn that down because they're watching my live feed on my phone. Which the good people never had access to until about a week ago. Then they burned down the FBI center so that they don't have access to any of the old live footage, which has videos of far more than 5 Cessnas freaking out. It has the Monsanto Day black bomber, 80 feet of altitude, probably 80-foot freaking wingspan. Here's another Cessna right here approaching my house. That's from behind 24162. And there's another out here behind my house.